Close all shut-off valves both on the gas appliance and the gas cylinder. Next, open the gas cylinder valve, but still do not open the shut-off valves of the gas appliance. The pressure regulator displays the cylinder pressure, which you are able to read on the manometer. The display does not indicate the filling level of the bottle. Some pressure regulators have a built-in excess flow device, also known as a flow monitor. To ensure the liquefied gas reaches your appliance properly, you need to hold down the excess flow device button firmly for a few seconds. Between the gas cylinder and the gas appliance, there is now LPG in the line, and we can check whether the system is tight or not. For example, use a leak detector spray for the purpose of leak tests and be sure to shake it thoroughly. Spray all the connections of the system between the gas cylinder and the gas appliance which might possibly leak with leak detector spray. These include the connections from gas cylinder to pressure regulator to hose line, and hose line to gas appliance. If a connection is not tight, bubbles will form persistently and very clearly at the spot sprayed with leak detector spray. Retighten the connections where bubbles have formed to ensure they are tightly secure. Spray the leak detector spray once more on the previously leaked connection. If you have tightened it firmly enough, there should be no more bubbles forming now. If the system is leak tight, you can ignite the gas appliance. If there is still a leak, do not operate the system under any circumstances. Either replace the affected components directly or consult a professional.